GTA 5 and we will trying to get a sprung buffalo car. It is very good. So let's start. We have to win a race for that. First we have to go to the impound to retrieve my fast car. If it's there, let's go. Okay, we are set a waypoint. Let's go. We are going now. Let's go. Let's use Franklin's ability. Useful very. Okay. Let's go. Okay. We are going. Okay. Yeah, nice.
That's dumb luck right there.
Okay. Let's go. Let's park our car and drive like a maniac. I'm kidding. I'm not even driving. Okay, let's go. Okay. I don't think it's here. We have to go there, I guess, then. Okay. Let's retrieve the intruder. Yeah, let's retrieve the intruder. I cannot see any traffic adder there, but if you not know what traffic adder is, then it's a Bugatti Veyron in real life. It's pretty fast. Okay, I don't even know where it is. I cannot even see any other garage. What is this? That's rigged. Completely rigged. Oh my god. I have to sit in my car again. Okay. I think I am going to the Los Santos Customs now. I have to repair this vehicle to get the best out of my race and get the best out of this car. Let's go. Let's turn extreme U-turn and go at full per hour. Full speed. Let's go. Okay, we have just passed the theater, the film theater. Let's go. We are going very fast for some reason because this car is, I think this car is like the Veyron, like the Adder. It's a little bit slower, but not that much. I think this is enough to win the race, but still, let's go to the Los Santos Custom and upgrade it even more. I have to upgrade the armor so that my car doesn't break in the race, or else I would be cooked. Okay, let's go. We are going at full speed. This is the car's full speed. As you can see over here, we are going very fast. Okay, now we are here. Let's activate Franklin's ability. Let's see what's the inside view of this car. Okay, it's pretty good. Not bad. I like the red in the speedometer or the meters in the car. That's pretty cool. I will not waste time by changing this car's color. I don't want to made it look flashy. I just want to upgrade its speed and armor and some basic things. I don't want to look flashy. I want this car to look flashy. That's just a waste of time and money. Flashy doesn't matter. Only the speed and traction matters. That's once a old wise man said that. Okay? I did that jump. 0.26 miles. That's the stock car. First we will see the car. So first we will go to the customs. Let's turn. Okay. 0.61. We are going. Even though it's damaged so much, this car is still working good. Okay. Pretty decent. So satisfying tire marks. Okay, we have arrived. Let's brake. This car's brakes are pretty bad, pretty trash. Let's go. We are just spawned inside. Let's repair the vehicle. First, let's armor upgrade 100%. Race brakes. Front bumper, rear bumper, front bumper. Splitter with corners, obviously the most expensive
Now
one.
that's a custom job.
And painted bumper and diffuser. Okay, good. They sure, I don't know what you mean by that. And then important stock.
You got a
Let's
whole
do
lot
it.
more
Raise
horses under
exhaust.
there now.
Grill, exposed intercooler. What's that? Brake grill. Exposed intercooler is good. Okay, we will do with carbon
Look at
mode,
sharp.
obviously. Do it. Horn is not necessary. Headlights is okay. Roll cage, no. Yeah, I can do it with roll cage. I don't think anything happened. I think we will see that in the race. Carbon roof, skirts, custom skirts. Custom skirts.
That's
4.
a beauty
Yeah.
right there.
Custom skirts. 4 is good. GT wing. Let's do a GT wing. Let's do a GT wing. That's
You're
good.
gonna wanna
That's
watch
my
the
song.
clutch.
Okay, turbo tuning, obviously. I wonder if I will fly with the GT wing. I don't know. Okay, turbo wheels. I guess we can do bulletproof tires.
They won't shoot these out.
Limo. Yeah, obviously limo. Race brakes. The brake is already trash in this. I don't think anything happened by that.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm exiting. I don't want to waste any more time in this thing. Okay, let's go to the stock car race. Because why not? Okay, let's go. Okay. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and comment if I am racing good. Okay? Let's go. We are 7 minutes into the video. Now 8 minutes. Don't worry. We have a lot to do. So yeah, that's not a problem. We are turning hard. Okay. We are going. That's the car I
Your
want
race
to.
or what?
Look. That's the Sprunk Buffalo. That's the car I want to get.
You're gonna try
That's
and
pretty
show
good.
me who's boss.
So I want to go. That's pretty rare because the only way to obtain it is this race. Okay, night time. We waited a lot. Okay, Franklin, now you have to lock in. Look at the Redwood Gauntlet, which I also won. The Burger Shot Stallion. This is the last car of the race. If I win this, then the whole stock car race era is over. I have won the Redwood Gauntlet, the Burgers and the Burger Shot Stallion. Yeah, let's go. Full power, full speed, full agility, full traction, full suspension, full brakes. Let's go. We are smoking, everybody. And we are also already at the one place. Now I think it's pretty obvious that I will win. So let's go. Let's go. Okay, we are going. Okay, one lap is finished. Now we are going at the second lap. Of the race. We will win this race. For sure. Okay, we are going at full speed. So I will win this race for sure. That's, I guess, pretty obvious. I'm already at lap 4. Let's go past this Redwood Gauntlet that I also want today, but I didn't record a video. Sorry. But I will record of this Sprunk Buffalo. I like the Burger Shot Stallion the most because it's cool. I like burgers. It's pretty cool. I will tell you where it is. First, I will win the Sprunk Buffalo. Okay, so this is the last lap. So yeah, last but not least, this is the 5th one. I will win this race. I have full confidence of winning this race. I am going at full speed. Franklin's ability is pretty useful in this race. I think if there was no Franklin's ability, I would have lose. Because look, these tight turns look easy as a baby with Franklin's ability. Okay, we are passing. Let's do the final touch. And yeah, I have won the race. Okay, and I have won the Sprunk Buffalo. Look at that, baby. Cool. Now, let's hop on it. Look, first impressions. Good livery. And this is like Franklin's car, but it is painted in a special livery that we cannot obtain normally. We have to obtain it through the race, or we can't. And it's fast too. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Okay. Let's go. 12 minutes into the video. Please like and subscribe. I'm telling again. I'm reminding you. Okay. Look, the rims are also painted custom. Let's go to the. We will go to the. Yeah. We are going to the Los Santos Customs. Let's go. Okay, let's go. We are going at full speed and full traction. Let's. The essence of life, it is written. I think I will go to the safe house. I don't want to waste my time here. Let's go. Full speed! Full speed! Full speed! Full speed! Okay, the essence of life. I don't think Sprunk is the essence of life, but for advertisement, that's good. Okay, let's take a turn. Don't worry, I destroyed it a little bit, but we can repair it at the Los Santos Customs. I will not do anything to this car because that will be lot of time. Let's go like that. We are going at full speed. I love Sprunk. I think you do. Let's go. Oh my god. So drifty. So drifty. It is the Bravado. Yeah. It's the Bravado. Obviously Bravado it is. Obviously Bravado. Okay, let's go. We are doing some things. So the first person view of this car is okay, normal. Not anything special, but livery is pretty special. That this is like Franklin's car only. It's Buffalo. Okay, I wanted this car so bad and now I'm touching it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I guess that's cool. But we have to now store it in Franklin's garage. I don't think the garage has space now, but okay. I don't think it has space any. But it will be fine. It will be fine. Like a pine. It will be fine like a pine. problem 5 star. Okay, we are now approaching Franklin's garage. That's the street. Okay, let's go. Full speed, full traction, full everything. Nice. We are going. Okay. I think I have reached the Franklin's garage. This is Franklin's garage. I don't know. Oh my god, it's full. I guess that's it for the video. I will just store it in Franklin's house's garage. So please, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, comment for more videos. Bye. Bye bye.